Okay, so now we're at the point where we have our DXF of the Space Invader guy exported from Fusion 360. So there's one more step we have to do before we can get it ready for the laser cutter. DXF is sort of, it's an architectural type design CAD format, and Illustrator doesn't like it too much. So one more step before that is we have to convert it. So I found this conversion site here called Cloud Convert, and you can convert DXF files to a number of formats. So I am going to click on Select File, and we're going to navigate to our Google Drive where my stuff is kept, and we're going to find the example, and this is our DXF file we exported from Fusion. We're going to click on that. I'm going to click on Open. I want to convert this DXF to an SVG, which is a image or vector type format here. And that's what we can work with in Illustrator, and the laser cutter also likes to. So we'll click on Convert, and just give it just a second here, and it'll process. And then we'll end up with a file in SVG that we can then place into Illustrator. So we have this is our drawing that we exported earlier. So we're going to click on Download, and we're going to download our SVG now. So just for safety, I'm going to copy that to our Google Drive just to make sure I know where it is. And that's our SVG file. See that right there? And then our next step is to get it into Illustrator.